Skincare has become very popular in the modern world. Especially due to pollution, preventing skin pores from clogging has become crucial. We all love to have tighter, firmer, and fresh-looking skin, for which most of us follow the basic steps of cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. However, when it comes to applying a face mask, most of us don't know the right way to do it. In this video, we will explore 5 essential tips that make a big difference when applying face masks, ensuring you get the maximum benefit from them. 1. Application order matters. When following a multi-step skincare routine, the order in which you apply face masks can make a big difference. For maximum effectiveness, start with lighter, gel-based masks. These types of masks are often more fluid and have a lightweight texture, which allows them to absorb quickly into your skin. Afterwards, follow up with thicker, cream-based or clay masks. These masks are designed to sit on the skin for a longer period, locking in moisture and drawing out impurities. By applying these after the lighter mask, you allow them to seal in the benefits of the first layer and provide extra hydration, protection, or detoxification. By layering your masks this way, you allow each one to do its job effectively. 2. Mask time can vary by skin type. While most face masks recommend leaving them on for 10 to 15 minutes, this time can vary depending on your skin type. If you have dry or sensitive skin, you may want to remove the mask earlier to prevent overdrying or irritation. On the other hand, oilier or more congested skin may benefit from leaving a clay mask on a bit longer for deeper cleansing. But always follow the instructions to avoid irritation. 3. Temperature effects. The temperature of a face mask plays a key role in activating its ingredients and enhancing its effectiveness. Rubbing a face mask between your fingers before applying it can help warm up it slightly, improving its absorption into the skin. Cold masks, for instance, are excellent for reducing puffiness and inflammation, making them ideal for calming irritated or swollen skin. Warm masks, on the other hand, help to open up your pores, allowing the active ingredients to penetrate deeper and cleanse more thoroughly. If you're using sheet masks, warming them up can create a spa-like experience, but be sure to test the temperature first to ensure it's not too hot to avoid burning your skin. It is important to note that the temperature effect does not apply to face packs, as they already contain activated ingredients designed to work effectively at room temperature. 4. DIY masks and overnight. While leaving a face mask on overnight might seem like a great way to get maximum benefits, DIY masks, especially those made with natural ingredients like honey or avocado, can actually lose their potency or even irritate your skin if left on for too long. Ingredients like fruit acids or enzymes may cause irritation if left too long, so it's best to follow recommended usage times for homemade masks. 5. Layering masks. Also known as multi-masking, layering different face masks on different areas of the face can be highly effective. For example, you can apply a hydrating mask on dry areas, a purifying clay mask on oily zones, and a soothing mask on sensitive spots. This method customizes your skincare routine based on your skin's unique needs, targeting specific concerns while avoiding oversaturating or irritating any one area. And lastly, not to forget cleaning your face with warm water before applying a face mask. This is an essential step in your skincare routine. When your face is clean, masks can easily penetrate deeper and deliver better results. Applying a mask to unwashed skin can trap dirt and oils beneath the mask, potentially leading to irritation or breakouts. So follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to glowing, healthy skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more skincare tips.